Oh boy. There it is. That one's off too. Boy. I got you. Boy, that's the crack egg's gonna love you. There you go, good.
Fine, come back this way.
Oh.
From here.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Yes, sir. Yeah, good job.
Adjustment here. Very good. Okay. Very good.
We got one more. There it is.
Oh, that was like 4 more.
Yep. There you go. Perfect.
Let this loose in. There you go. And then this one here. Good.
There.
Oh.
Let me do it. There you go. Super. There we go. Super.
Beautiful. Good. Okay, turn to the right a little bit. Good, nice.
Wiggle your right big toe. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. There you go. Okay. That's it. Yep, crack egg's gonna love you. That's it. That's it. Yes, ma'am, sis. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, crack egg's gonna love you. There you go. Woo.
Good. There we go. That was a little better.
There it is. Good. Nice. Oh. Cervical restriction here. Very good. Very good.
There we go. Let this one go. I got you. That's it. Good job. Smooth as silk.
Relax here for me. Very good stuff. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Completely exhale. Very good.
Oh yeah. Drop this in my hand here. Boy, oh boy. Oh boy. I heard that one over at the high. That's it.
Good.
Oh yeah. I'll have it again. That's what's. There we go. Oh boy, crack egg's gonna love you.
There. Good. Nice. Okay, right here. Good.
There you go. Close your eyes and think of La La Land or something. I know these wrists have been bothering you, said, so I'm gonna try to get there, but it's right there. Yes, ma'am. You're gonna feel a little taller here in a few seconds. Look at you. Yeah.
Okay, let's go here. Good. Nice.
Here, let me have you wiggle your left toe. There you go. Yep, crack egg's definitely gonna love you. There we go. Okay, slide back up. Yep. That's it. There you go.
Very good. Okay. And again, adjusting through the area of restriction. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Good. Again. Come this way. Good. Nice. What was that like?
Good.
A little different than down there?
Yeah.
What? Good. Nice. Good.
There, super.
That was good. Good. Good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, Crack Egg's gonna love you.
Good. Chin up a little bit. Good.
Very good. See?
Wow.
Ooh.
God dang, this side's tight, man. Good.
Oh.
Wow. That's funny. Buffness.
Oh, God.
Good.
Oh.
Good. Nice.
There you go.
Okay, there you go. See how nervous he is, guys? His eyes are twitching. He won't let it go either. Good. Better. Okay.
Oh yeah. Boy, you're
Very good.
Very good. Okay. Very good. How's that, Neva?
Good.
Good. Very good. Very good. Cervical restriction here. Very good.
That don't mean I won't break your neck. That's just the name of the technique.
Perfect. Good. Turn the right a little bit.
There we go. Yes, sir. There we go. Let me have your neck. Oh yeah. There we go.
Oh man, that's tight. Beautiful. Nice.
Nope, let me do it. There you go.
He does traveling too, so it's.
There we go.
Him? Wow. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Look up as high as you can. Get your elbows together. You can relax. And he needs to relax some more for me. He's coming here. He's coming. Coming. Yep. Good. Okay. Beautiful. Nice. Good. Wow.
We're going to adjust through the cervical spine. As we've noted, we've palpated here and noted some segmental restrictions. Very good. Good movement here. Relax right in here. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me, sir. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good.
Get closer. Good stuff. That's good.
Yeah.
Pull, 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 pull. Oh, that one was good.
Here.
Pull.
There we go.
Okay, good. We're going to adjust right here, okay? Very good. Okay, same thing right over here. Very good. Let me have you lay face down right here for me. All right. All right, we're just kind of seeing how we have some tenderness and restriction in here. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. There. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way for me. A little bit of palpation in the lumbar spine. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. That'll be good.